In this video, we'll look at the new features that have been added to the platform. These include the menu block, an updated substitution block, colors for the buttons in the keyboard block, and a new tab block. Let's add a mini app and consider the menu block. This block allows us to place up to 5 buttons, which will be fixed displayed at the bottom of the mini app. We can choose the style, image only or image with the title. Let's upload an image and give a name for the button. Note that we can choose SVG as the image format. In that case, it will change only color when active. The present color is blue, but you can change it in the customization settings. If you upload a PNG image, the color changes only for the caption, and the icon will remain in its original form. Buttons in the menu work in the same way as usual buttons. For each of them, we can set an action. Let's add a transition to the desired mini app for each of the buttons. We also have an opportunity to set active pages for buttons in the menu. This is the list of pages on which the button will be considered active. For example, we have a settings button. We go to the settings page and the button is highlighted. But if we go to the subsection and open, for example, notification settings, the settings button will no longer be active, as these are separate pages. To avoid these situations in the button settings, we will specify a list of all sub-pages on which the button should remain active. This allows highlighting the desired section, even if the user is inside the subsection. The menu block is not displayed on all pages by default. To avoid creating menus manually for each mini app, we can use the substitution block. Add the substitution block and select the mini app with the menu. This way, the menu will be displayed on all pages where we add this block. And any changes to the menu will be automatically applied wherever this block is present. Let's design this mini app for demonstration. Consider the tabs block. They are presented in two variants: standard tabs up to 5 items. They are similar as possible to the standard Android or iOS system tabs. There is no possibility to add images, only text. Advanced tabs you can add up to 24 items. For them, there is an opportunity to upload an icon, change the order and set a name. Each tab is associated with a separate mini app. They work according to the substitution block principle. When you click on a tab, the content substituted from the specified mini app will be displayed. In the advanced settings, you can choose which tab will be active by default. Now let's consider the innovations in the substitution block. To do this, let's add this block and specify the name of the mini app to be substituted. In the new settings, there is an item hide under title. If this function is active, substitution will be displayed as a header with an arrow. By default, the content will be rolled up. When you click on the header, the block will expand and show the substituted content. In addition to this, we can choose the location and style for the header. Now we can choose any color for the buttons in the keyboard with the usual and fixed type. Let's add a keyboard block and customize the button. Let's expand the start command. We will add a text block and fill it in. Let's also add an inline keyboard. And let's select Go to Mini App. Enter the name of our mini app. Now you need to customize the menu display on all tabs using the substitution block, as we did earlier. And also mark active pages. Save and publish the changes. Let's check the work of the bot on Telegram. Send the start command. Go to the mini app and check the work of the new functions. Great, everything works correctly.